Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. So in today's video I'll show you how to make Pinterest account public, and this is pretty simple. So open the Pinterest, go to this profile icon at the right side corner, go to your profile section at the top right corner, and from here you just need to go to your profile visibility. As you can see, my profile is private. You just need to turn off this option. As you can see, now my account is public. So whenever you will public your account, your search privacy is automatically will going to be private. So if you want to turn off this option, as you can see, and it will take actions to your account. As you can see, it will take several weeks for search engines to remove your profile and posts from search results. So if you want to turn on this option, you can simply tap on the close option, or you can choose the option understand. And by this way you can keep the privacy. So there's a way how you can make your account public on Pinterest. Hope this video found you helpful. Let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.